Welcome, everybody. I hope you can hear me. This is my first recording of this sequence of recordings. So I've got like a title and I'm mixing this title in OBS Studio. It's pretty much professional job. As you can see, I have a title, Yolo.cx, update, 12 February 24. My name is Sylvester and really nice to meet you. And this pathetic space. Let's start the show. As you can see, I'm at the moment looking on the beautiful koi fish. It's a 3D model created by a very mysterious person called 7 Plus. That model got just only one animation, as you can see. It's called Morph Bake, so it's baked. And why I'm here? So I recently started working on project which is going to be a kind of metaverse project, but you know, the metaverse is a term which doesn't really suit to all the vendors. So like companies like Apple, they started playing with language policing and changing the narrative, calling everything spatial computing. So let's name this fish a spatial computing fish. But at the end, it's just a 3D web because it's in the browser or it's on your screen and it's connected to the internet. So it's this or other way. It's a 3D web. Let's try to use this fish in our project. I can download this model as a GLB format. There are other formats, but if I will download it as a GLB, I actually did it a few minutes ago, just testing everything, so I don't want to download this again. The next step would be to double check if this fish is okay. We can do it in Blender, importing this GLB model. I did it a few minutes ago, and I'm sure this animation is all right. It's all the keyframes baked. I think we should shorten the time to 150. Yeah. So that's like a sequence, as you can see, beautiful waving. We can use this model, but we can export it again using some compression. So the model is gonna be smaller. You will see what I mean. So that's the original name was koi fish. We can add the name compressed 1, and we can go to the compression settings. In the meantime, I will activate key caster, so you will see all the events I'm doing. I hope so you can see it. Here there's a couple of very important things if we would like to make this fish smaller. So basically there's a data, there's a checkbox compression. It's by default the highest compression, 6, so we don't have to change this. But we can change compression of material, which is that bitmap surrounding a mesh. So I usually don't touch it if I want the highest quality, but if I want slightly compress this, I change the images export to WebP and I change the quality to like 25. It's gonna be very heavy compressed, and with WebP fallback, which is for the other material format. But anyways, we are ready to go. Let's save it as a compressed and double check the file size. So I've got this folder for fishes. As you can see, original one was 5 megabytes. but compressed one is 2.1. So that's cool. I just noticed that my keycaster doesn't really work the way I would like to use it. So in general, I want to cast it on my bigger screen, not the smaller one. Swelter? No. What's it gonna be if I use the swelter? Come on. Okay. Brilliant. Maybe let's make it a bit bigger. Default. A bit bigger font size. Can I move it? Can I move it? I was able to move swelter, but I can't move the default one. So let it be. Let it be here. Brilliant. I know. Maybe here. Yeah. We have a fish, as you can see. Now we can import that fish into the realm of WebGL 3D real-time environment. So we have this fish saved as compressed fish, and the 3D environment I'm working on is on my laptop, my dev machine. Go here. It's backed by Flask rendering engine. It's a Python script, Python server. And we have some services provided by WebSockets. So I need to start both of them. I have my local network IP address here. As you can see, I'm logged in, but I will log out for a moment. It's a kind of splash screen you can see. The development production version is under domain Yolo.cx. So if you refresh it a couple of times, you can see the splash backgrounds. The splash backgrounds, they contain work in progress tests of multiple environment I'm just working on. But my local version here also requires from users to log in. So let's log in. So these worlds, they are pretty much temporary worlds. One of them I called koi fish, which is just an empty space with a couple of things. They at the moment doesn't really matter in the middle. It's just like a center of the world. I can zoom out, zoom in, but in general it doesn't really matter. And let's try to import our fish. Importing is straightforward. You just drag and drop that fish here and wait for the engine. Right, we have a fish. But the fish is actually animated, but it's not moving. So to move it, I need to activate my GUI thing, which is everything is like a work in progress, so don't worry. That GUI contains child selection, and we can apply kind of animation selecting that object. So yeah. Oh, it seems like the fish is swimming but opposite direction. So we need to fix the fish in Blender, rotating that direction. As you can see, the default direction is to the on X. It's my right. It's actually to the left or right. It's on to the side, but in here it's looking backwards. So I guess if I rotate it 180 degrees, I don't know what I've done. I've done something stupid. I believe we can rotate it, see, 180, yeah, and we can apply all transforms. Oh, what I'm doing, transforms. Yeah, oh, let's maybe re-export it as a GLB with the number 2. And let's try to import that fish. We can leave that fish because we are following that fish, so the fish moving backwards is just going somewhere and we are not following. Let's upload again fixed fish. I'm not sure if it's gonna be all right. Oh, by the way, you can see I can move that fish, and we've got a couple. We've got a mirror, which is a beautiful thing. A mirror. It's amazing mirror. Now I need to restart the scene and add GUI again. So we've got those fishes. They are not moving anywhere. That fish name is 615. It's there. I think it's the right direction. The fish is moving. So we can add more fishes like this. Let's leave that fish not moving and drop a couple of new fishes here. The same fishes, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. And we've got a couple of fishes. If we restart this for a moment. Now we can try to animate all of them. Let's do this. I think we animated wrong fish, but let's animate those, the other fishes. Huh? Right. Now, as you can see, we have a nice fish tank. So it's a kind of beauty thing. It makes me really happy to see those fishes. However, it's everything work in progress, so you shouldn't really worry about details. Like for instance, right now the particle emitters, they are just dying in the middle of stream, and then they will restart it. So I need to fix the particle engine, which is not a particle engine, just like a couple of functions. I think to make it more interesting, we need to put a bigger fish. Surprise, surprise. I've been downloading a couple of fishes earlier, so I have a shark, believe me or not, but there is a shark here. I don't remember where. But some guppies, like that one. I want shark. I want shark. I want shark. Come on, people. There's a shark. Okay, maybe I need to use search. Shark. I have shark. In my computer. GLB. I don't know. Maybe in animals. That one. Hammered shark. Let's check this shark. And let's upload it to Yolo. Where's the window? It's a full screen, so to escape the full screen and try to add the shark, you need to stop following these objects for a moment. Let's drop the shark. We have a shark. That one is really tiny one. And I believe we have a fixed shark, which is probably a bit better. Right. I need to know the number of this object. I'm not. I'm wrong. Not the number, but the UID, unique name of this object, and I can check this in a console. So let's try. That one is like that one, like that. Let's try to add this thing using add animate. Let me check the source file. I'm adding GUI. I'm running the GUI. And there's a name of function I need to find. Oh, yes, the name of function is called set anim. Okay. Because I don't want to restart the whole environment. I can do it from this side. Okay. It's really far away. Let's activate the other shark. You just need to know the name of this dude. The name of this dude is here. Right. Move. I think I was expecting a little bit more because that shark is moving sideways. I really don't like him. I can delete him just pressing backspace. Bye bye. But the emitter is still following the ghosts of the shark. If we'll come back to the Sketchfab, and we'll try to find more sharks. Shark. I remember I downloaded much better shark than this, and it was for free. And I believe it was one of those here. Yeah, that one. The beautiful great hammerhead shark. Let's download it to the fish. Let's try to upload it. Hello. Animals. I'm no more searching for anything. So I mean animals and fish, and that model seems familiar. It's exactly the same model. It's a beautiful shark. Look at this teeth. Can you give me your teeth? Beautiful. Yeah, ouch. Stop it. So the name of this dude is CF. I can just animate this dude. Again, that one is a sideways one. Original one is wrong. Forgive me my memory leaks. Anyways, I will delete that one. And let's refresh it. So we've got those animals, they are not moving anywhere. That one is called very strange name. It will be easier to animate this using my child selection, and we can animate all of them again quickly. I think in the next round of updates I will just group all of those child names, and I will make requests in a kind of array loop. So yeah, what we can change here. So in our beautiful editor, we might be able to change environments. Environments, they are HDRI. And I've got selections of environments here. They are all stolen from multiple sources, so don't worry. And it will replace the sky colors. It was actually watercolors, but it will replace it. We still need to keep the ground untouched, so that's the thingy here. And if I will save it, come on dude, update. Yeah, we have this kind of background right now. What is wrong about this thing? Maybe it's too much light, maybe it's not. Let's add GUI so we can change the light. We have settings for the fog. If you take the fog full sample color from the background, let's make it brighter, and we can control the fog far and near. As you can see, what's wrong with the fog? I know what is wrong with the fog. Oh, really? Let's animate them. They are waiting for the movement. Yeah, the fog is working when you are far away from the fishes, so it's gonna be easier to show you how the fog is working when they will be all on the move. Yeah, all on the move. Now, as you can see, those fishes far away, they are quite blue. So because maybe it should be something like less blue, or if they are really far away from me, the near fog. Yeah. What is also incorrect, that's the intensity of the background, and we can change this to the very original intensity, or maybe less intensity. Additional feature here is a blur, so we can make this background actually slightly blurry and having impression of depth of field. I don't know what's working the best. You know, the wrong thing about this is just those patterns on the sound, they should move. So the waves at the top, they're quite static. But we can fix it in the future, having better shaders. So as you can see, our little pond full of fishes, it's looking like this. I'm tempted adding one more fish. I don't know why. Maybe because I know the fish which is, I don't know which one. That one fish. That one fish is quite big. Oh, it's over there right now. That little thing. Okay, so I got that fish. I don't know the name of this fish, but I can click on this and try to move it. If I'll stop chasing. What's your name? 76. Okay, I'll give you the movement. I'll give you the engine to swim. Why is you swimming backwards? Yeah, no idea what's going on here. But some fishes can swim backwards, yeah? Maybe I'll have more fishes in the future, like real crowd, the next edition. They look at the moment like torpedoes, especially shark. What I can change also right now here is the speed of those fishes. Now that fish at the bottom, it looks dead. Swimming, yeah. So I have a speed factor, as you can see. Speed factor. Come on. If I would change speed factor to 0.6, they will be very, very slow, which is incorrect. I think speed factor 1, it's too much, but something like 0.6. Hey, by the way, I know I can, you don't know, but I know I can shoot some balls here. I can actually try to shoot those fishes. Yeah. It's difficult to shoot these fishes because they are on the move. Let's try that one, that one. There's a physics engine and it allows me to bounce balls. Yeah, I hit that one. Is it? No way. There's a gravity, and if they are really far away, just impossible to target them. However, if I will use some sort of prediction engine built into my head, I might be able to hit them. Oh no, it's so difficult. Yeah. So there's an engine, 3D engine. I can actually build some sort of point collection and shoot the fishes. However, I'm kind of not really fancy to shoot the fishes in the water. What kind of game is this? Maybe using much more clever ideas, creative ideas. If you got some ideas, if anyone is watching this and got some ideas, I'm open to cooperate with you. Believe me or not, this project is going to be for a really long time in the future, because there's one more thing I didn't say. There's so many things to say. As you can see, this thing at the bottom left corner, it's a VR thingy. So VR thingy means I can run this project in a VR headset, and I can activate actually VR thing. So I'm going to get into this space using my headset. Welcome back. This is actually unexpected, the second part to the first part, so don't worry, I'm on the same page. I will be talking about my fish tank built in Yolo.cx, and at the end of the last video I just abruptly, unexpectedly stopped talking, but the idea was just to pick up my VR headset. So let's work with this. The thing is, I need to set up the casting to cast video stream from the headset. I need to go to the meta.com, and somewhere I've got those devices. Yeah, I forgot how to cast it. I believe that it's not difficult. It just like you type casting or yeah, meta my devices. I'll type casting. I believe there is no page like this. So the how's that casting thingy? Maybe that was facebook.com casting. Yeah, this is the Facebook website. Oh, remember my decision regarding notifications. Okay. No, this is not casting. I think if I'll double check this in my headset. Yeah, come on, come to daddy. There's a I love it. I love controllers. I don't have to pinch anything, and just like all the time showing how big you are, like, you know, like this is like how big you are. How big you are. Is my experience here, I'm going to be for a moment not casting, but I'm looking for the cast. Yeah, so it's saying share your VR view with another device, MetaQuest mobile, computer. Yeah, I choose the computer next. And Oculus.com casting, look. Man, Oculus, not Meta. I'm really sorry. I supposed to remember it. I'm immersive web developer. Casting. Am I casting? Hello? What? It's unexpected. That's probably because I wrote it wrong. Jeez. What a professional show. Coils.com. Once again. Yeah. No. Coils.com casting. Yes. Yes. I supposed to cast. Press Yeah. Brilliant. Can do some extra settings here, like widescreen. It's cropping a lot, but don't worry, it's not that bad. Let's go to the browser. Let's log in using different account. Don't read my password. I don't know, is it blurred? Probably it's not visible. Yeah. So maybe you remember I created a coil word, but it's not visible here because this is different user. And the issue with the thingy here is, what's the issue? The issue is that we need to change some settings for this world. We need to quit that thingy. Hello. And what was the thing? We need to change settings for this world. The settings for this world, they are here. So the word was hide. We need to change visibility to show and type public. I hope so. It's gonna work. Settings for the ground. There's a bug. I didn't fix it, so I don't want to explain what I'm doing right now. It's pretty much funny. Also here. The backgrounds. There's plenty of backgrounds. We can select that background probably next iteration. Come on. Where is the beautiful? There's many beautiful backgrounds, but I need my environment. Give me back my environment. I'm supposed to be very close. It's there. Save it. Update it. And come back to the thingy here. So if I refresh this world, I'm supposed to see that thing here. Let me add to, yeah, let me make it bigger. Yeah. There's a koi fish. Koi fish, koi. What I'm talking about. It's because those things they are loading. It takes some time, but well, look, I'm there. It's plenty of dead fish. And I can use finally my lovely button for VR. If I click it, hello. Yeah, I clicked 3 times, not really necessary. Oh wow, that fish is so big. And that background is so faulty. It's just a part of HDRI, so I believe this is because the web is so slow, and we need to probably restart it. Yeah, the WebXR is experimental technology behind the flag. Hello, it's avatar of my daughter, so don't worry. She's using different headsets by then. Anyways, we've got more than 2 headsets, but she made my avatar. So yeah, let's wait for the HDRI if it will be ready. Otherwise, if I'll try to get into the VR reality, it's gonna be okay. Looks like it's loaded. Now I can click, and I hope to see this everywhere. Yeah, lovely. I mean, hey, where is my face? Oh, I'm in. I'm supposed to be able to see the mirror at some point, but the fish, it's amazing. And it's moving really nice. It's like a gigantic koi, so you can see the compression. The bitmap is very, very low. But yeah. So what we can do to make them animated? Of course, we need to go to the developers console. Again, to go to the developers console, we do the magic. So in my browser again, I'm going to the device inspection panel, and I have this here. We can inspect this stuff remotely. And what happened there? Enable interaction. Something didn't work, but doesn't really matter. We can add GUI, and if I will leave the GUI creates the mirror, but unfortunately my GUI is not here attached to the controller as supposed to be, so I need to leave this XR session, but it's still gonna be here. So if now I will just apply all of those animations to all of those fishes. Come on, all the fishes. Let's make them swimming, even swimming backwards. Why not? Just having a bit of fun. That thinks they are not real. And we still got some sort of control. Yeah, one more fish at the bottom, and let's come back to the VR reality. They are really fast. Yeah, really fast. Like torpedoes. Yeah. Well, this is the mirror. You can see my reflection. There's no avatar at the moment, but if I will have an avatar, the avatar will be in the middle, somewhere over there. The funny thing with the mirrors is you can go and look through the mirror. Yeah. Oh, the fish swimming backwards. I've got like a extra 2 modes. That mode is called teleport, but I can use the teleport only if I have a background to teleport. The only my background is this yellow lemon in the middle, so I can't do it. I need to load different background. I will show you this a bit later. That mirror is so confusing, but well, I wanted to show you there's a second mode. I switch between modes, just moving both controllers close to each other, so they change the mode if they are pointing to the sky. So I will be not confusing myself with changing the modes accidentally when controllers are like this. So the blue one is teleport, and the red one is a dangerous one, so I can shoot. And look, I can shoot. I can shoot to the fishes. That fish, that one, it's so difficult to shoot because they are really far away. Maybe I can shoot that one. Hello, so difficult to shoot the fish. I can shoot through the mirror. Look, I can shoot through the mirror. Now let me shoot a bit, maybe start shooting from there. Yeah. When I'm shooting there, it's speeding up. Okay. Hello. It's actually very difficult. Let me. It's really impossible to hit the fish. That one is really far away. That one is really far away. The speed of bullets, it's not supersonic. So my prediction model in my head, it's not that good. Okay. No, this is infinite experience. It's called YOLO. YOLO means you only live once, or you only look once. Can I? No, okay, I think I can do it. I think I can hit the fish. Nope. I can see. Impossible. Oh no, I didn't switch to the experience. I didn't switch to the proper casting. I'm sorry about this. I'm professional. Let's do it again for a moment. But let's upload different grounds, so I will be able to actually teleport myself. I can come back to the edit world, and when we've got different grounds, I can have stupid grounds like that one. And let's check this out. With a different completely, there will be no water, there will be a sky. And maybe let's make this sky a bit more. I'm going to, for a moment, use the inspect DevTools, and again run GUI. Yeah, we can change intensity of this GUI. Can even change the blur. It will be more interesting when blur is blur. And let's get into the world where I've got multiple places to teleport. Yeah? Don't believe me? Look, I'm teleporting there. That's a yellow square. But it looks like those fishes are not really far away. Maybe I'll teleport myself there. Difficult. Yes. Where are the fishes? And teleport myself. Okay. Wrong place to teleport. Okay, let's move the fishes. Let's move all of them. Let's go to the... Am I casting this? No, this is again professional show, making people bored to death. There's a window, goes. Oh, right. That one, that one, that one. There's more fishes to make them alive. Yeah, 78. C9, 195, and B60. I am coming for you. Yeah, let's shoot them. I shoot you? Oh, it's too far. Too far. Fish swimming backwards. Is it possible to hit? Yes, it's possible. I did it. I hit the fish swimming backwards. I swear I did it. Yeah. So I think it's possible. You can't be immortal. So I think I'll finish this episode here. In the next episode, I will talk about more different worlds. So like what I'm going to do. But you can see I've got many other ideas, like let's say briefly Dino World, which is a world with a dino. And I'll just the screen Dino is watching and Dino is having workout, but I want Dino make more entertaining, so there is a stream from the fish tank, and let's have a look. How is this world looking? Oh, let's see if you can see. Do you see what I see? Do you see what I see? Yeah, you probably see what I see. Yeah, it's Apple Vision Pro entertainment. Believe me or not. God. Endless amount of screens if you really need them. Who needs flat screens inside VR headset? Oh, that's the sky is so strange and the mountains are strange. But my friend is okay. You're right. Yeah. That work? Yeah. The physics engine is Rapier.js. It's very effective. This is only my 3D words. It's not really optimized for anything at the moment. The gradient sky. We can change the gradient sky if I will leave for a moment this experience, and I will just apply again the my dev tools. If I'll add GUI again, and we'll come back to the casting thing. Yeah. I really would like to rotate the sky. So I have a sphere rotation here to make this more. There's a night and day, and unfortunately it's really difficult to change this color because the color picker API doesn't really work properly. So if I'll make it 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, the mountains, the near and the far away. Yeah. At least they are not brown. It's back there. Yeah, it's different lighting. Kind of doom world, doom gloomy space. There are dinosaurs. There's a nice screen with the fishes from the fish tank. It's really cool to be alive. It's really cool to be walking on the treadmill. And this optimistic speech is ending this episode. I'm doing some product placement right now at the end, so the name of this experience gonna be placed at Yolo.cx when it will be ready. It's not a game engine, it's not a metaverse, it's some sort of 3D real-time experience. It's a 3D web. Is the correct name is a 3D web, and if you have a WebXR enabled in your browser, in your headset, you will be able to go there and just experience like myself. Yeah, wicked. Bam bam bam. We can make some games. If you're a designer, if you're a coder, if you're a creative person, we can be a team. Bye bye. No, bye bye. I need to switch the stuff in the what? I need to switch the stuff in here. In the intro. See you later. I love you. So no. Webcam title. This one. Bye.